I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. Underneath the dome of high pressure, that heat continuing tomorrow. Highs again in the mid-90s to the low 100s. Heat and humidity again making it feel like it's in the 100s tomorrow. Even the mid to upper 100s for eastern areas. As the ridge of high pressure breaks down, low-end chances of occasional thunderstorms that are mostly non-severe return. Late-day thunderstorms across the western plains may track into western areas of Nebraska and Kansas tomorrow evening. Thunderstorm chances slightly higher Sunday night when late-day thunderstorms develop near a cold front over the Sandhills and track to the southeast. Additional thunderstorms are possible Monday night and Tuesday night with storms moving in from the west. Highs are in the 90s for Sunday through Tuesday before a slight drop to the upper 80s to the mid-90s for Wednesday and Thursday. Long-term forecast keeping that trend of warmer than normal temperatures going for Nebraska and Kansas Wednesday through the first 7 days of the Nebraska State Fair on August 28th. By late August in central Nebraska, our daytime highs are usually in the low 80s with average overnight lows in the upper 50s. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall Wednesday through August 28th likely to be mostly above normal. Key weather factors influencing the markets include heat across the U.S., dry areas in the Black Sea region and central China, and increased rainfall for parts of the northern plains and Canadian prairies. A ridge of high pressure is settling in over the nation's midsection, maintains very hot conditions the next several days from the central and southern plains into the mid-south. Cold fronts across the northern U.S. that interact with the moisture from a resurging monsoon flow of moisture produce rain and thunderstorms from the Four Corners into the northern plains, upper Midwest, and Great Lakes. Locally heavy rain of 2 to 6 inches or more could result in flooding in the north central U.S., including parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. The northern plains corn and soybeans benefit from the rain, but wheat harvest and quality could suffer. Rainy weather lingers in the south, while drought-easing rain should fall in the Pacific Northwest. A disturbance in the western Gulf may produce locally heavy rain in southern Texas over the next several days. The early to middle of next week, a cold front produces scattered rain across the U.S. and a slight drop in temperatures. A major hurricane, Erin, approaches the east coast the middle of next week, but should stay offshore. Across the Canadian prairies, rain is easing drought and helping to battle wildfires. For the Black Sea region, that's mostly very dry for filling corn. Limited rainfalls through next week with very low coverage. Central China, that's been drier than the rest of China, expects more favorable rain chances for filling corn and soybeans the next few days. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.